Hi students, very good morning to you. Let us come to the indefinite integration 2019 mains problems. So integral of sin 5x by 2 by sin x by 2 dx. Integral. See this one. So denominator sin x by 2, numerator sin 5x by 2. Now I am multiplying and dividing into 2. This is sin x by 2, cos x by 2. So multiply and divide into 2 cos x by 2. 2 sin 5x by 2 cos x by 2. So always the denominator should be in short form. So 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. What is the denominator? Sin x. What are the numerator? 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b. Sin of a plus b. Sin of 5x by 2 plus x by 2 plus sin of a minus b 5x by 2 minus x by 2 whole dx, that equal integral 6x by 2 sin 3x plus 4x by 2 sin 2x sin 3x plus sin 2x by sin x dx, that equal integral. What is the sin 3x? 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x plus 2 sin x cos x whole by sin x dx. What is this equal to? What is this equal to? That equal to integral of 3 minus 4 sin square x plus 2 cos x. 2 cos x dx, that equal to integral of 3 minus 2 into what is the 2 sin square x? 2 into 2 sin square x, that is 1 minus cos x plus 2 cos x whole dx. What is this equal to integral? 3 minus 2 1 minus 1 plus 2 cos 2x 1 plus 2 cos 2x plus 2 cos x dx, that equal. What is the integral of 1 dx? X plus 2 into what is the integral of cos 2x? Sin 2x by 2 plus 2 into what is the integral of cos x? Sin x plus 2 cancel. What is equal to x plus sin 2x plus 2 sin x plus c. So this is the way we solve this problem. So sin x by 2 multiplied with cos x by 2. So 2 cos x by 2. 2 sin a cos a. That is the sin x. Right? Now see this third next problem. See the next one. Integral 3x power 13 plus 2x power 11 by 2x power 4 plus 3x square plus 1 whole power 4. What do we know? We have to take the highest power common. What is this equal to? Integral 3x power 13 plus 2x power 11 by take the highest power common x power 4 whole power 4 2 plus 3 x power 4 common 3 by x square plus 1 by x power 4 whole to the power 4. What is equal to? Integral. Denominator is x power 16. So 3x power 13 plus 2x power 11 by x power 16 into 2 plus 3 by x square plus 1 by x power 4 dx. This is equal to x power 13 by x power 16. So 3 by what is this one? X cube plus 2 by x power 5 whole by 2 plus 3 into x power minus 2 plus x power minus 4 x power minus 4 whole power 4 whole power 4. Now take this as t. 2 plus 3x power minus 2 plus x power minus equal to 2. Now take the derivative minus 6 x power minus 3 minus 4 x power minus 5 dx equal to dt, dx equal to dt. Now take minus 2 come 3 into x power minus 3 plus 2 into x power minus 4 into dx equal to dt. What is this equal to integral of dt by minus 2, dt by minus 2 by t power 4 are equal to minus 2 into integral of t power minus 4 dt minus 2, that is 1 by minus 2, that is minus 1 by 2 integral of t power minus 4 dt. What is integral of t power minus 4? Minus 1 by 2 into t power minus 4 plus 1 t power minus 3 by minus 3 plus 2, that is equal to 1 by 6 into what is the value? T power minus 3. What is the t? 2 plus 3 by x square plus 1 by x power 4 whole to the power minus 3 plus 6. So what is the solution? Okay students, so understand the way you have to take the common highest power, x power 4 common, x power 16 that is. Right students, now see this problem. Integral of 1 by x square minus 3x plus 10 whole square. How you can write this one? X square minus 2x plus 10 that equal to x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 10. This is nothing but x minus 1 whole square plus 3 square. So what is this problem becomes? Integral of 1 by x minus 1 whole square plus 3 square again whole square dx. Okay, now take x minus 1 equal to 3 tan theta, x minus 1 equal to 3 tan theta. What is dx equal to? 3 into secant square theta d theta, that equal to integral of 1 by what is the x minus 1 whole square? 9 tan square theta plus 9 whole square into what is the dx? 3 secant square theta d theta, 3 secant square theta d theta. So integral of 1 by take 9 common. What is this equal to? 9 common 1 plus tan square theta 9 secant square theta whole square into 3 secant square theta d theta. What is this equal to? Integral of 1 by what is the 9 square? 81 secant power 4 theta into 3 secant square theta d theta, that is equal to 3 by 81 1 by 27 integral secant square 110. So that is with secant square. What is 1 by secant square? Cos square theta 1 by secant square cos square theta, that is equal to 1 by 27 into integral 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. What is this equal to? 1 by 54 27 into 2 1 by 54 into what is integral of 1 d theta theta plus integral of cos 2 theta sin 2 theta by 2 plus that is equal to 1 by 454 into theta plus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta plus what is the theta here? See what is the theta? Theta equal to tan inverse of x minus 1 by 3. And now take the right angle triangle. This is the theta. What is the tan theta equal to? X minus 1 by 3. And what are this one? X minus 1 whole square plus 3 square. Then what is sin theta cos theta? Sin theta equal to opposite side x minus 1 by square root of x square minus 2x plus 2. And cos theta equal to its inside 3 by square root of x square minus 2x plus 10. So these are the values. Just substitute here. 1 by 54 into what is the theta? Tan inverse of x minus 1 by 3 plus what is sin theta into cos theta? This one 3 into x minus 1 by x square minus 2x plus 10 plus c. So that is the solution. Okay students, so in this way x minus 4 square plus 3 square, take x minus 1 equal to 3 tan theta, right? Now see this one, x plus 1 by square root of 2x minus 1 dx. Now take this denominator 2x minus 1 equal to t square, 2 into dx equal to 2t dt, 2 cancel. What is equal to integral? What is the 2x? X equal to t square plus 1 by 2. X equal to t square plus 1 by 2. T square plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by square root of t square. T. And what is the dx equal to? T into dt. So t cancel. Integral t square plus 3 by 2 dt. 1 by 2 into what is integral of t square? T cube by 3 plus 3 into t plus c. So that is 1 by 2 into what is t cube? So what is t equal to square root of 2x minus 1 t cube. That means 2x minus 1 whole to the power 3 by 2 by 3 plus 3 into t. What is the t? Square root of 2x minus 1 plus. That is the solution. Right students, this is the way we solve the problems. Right?